That's the sound equipment.
Ooh.
I'm just saying.
And it's pitch black dog. Wow, we did a lot of shit taken care of. How you doing, young man? You look so nice. I love little butch boys like you. Don't you, girl? Don't you get it look kind of good? Ooh, man, damn. What is Sam? Sherry, you all right? You all right, mom? You fine? Oh, y'all look good over here. See, this is what you tell the boss bitches. They all speak. Who birthday is? Oh, you a birthday girl? Huh, bitch? Go get some shit on me. Now, I don't know what you're going to be able to get ready for, girl. Happy motherfucking birthday. What's your name? Yo, it's Precious' birthday. Get over Precious! And bitch, this Precious, the small version, bitch. The small version. Yeah, she look good too, bitch. She's tipping that.